Hello and welcome to Intimate Media. Today we will learn about 8 ways to harmonize work and love life. Now, let's begin. Balancing the demands of a thriving career with a fulfilling love life can be akin to walking a tightrope. It's a challenge that many individuals face in today's fast-paced world, where work often seeps into personal time. However, with the right strategies and mindset, it is possible to strike a harmonious balance between your professional and romantic life. In this video we will learn about 8 essential ways to ensure that your work and love life coexist peacefully. Number 1. Prioritize self-care. Balancing work and love life begins with self-care. It's essential to prioritize your physical and mental well-being. Make time for regular exercise, proper nutrition, and sufficient sleep. These habits boost your energy levels and emotional resilience, enabling you to be present in both spheres of your life. Number 2. Set clear boundaries. Establishing clear boundaries between work and personal time is crucial. Define specific work hours and communicate them with your partner. Similarly, allocate dedicated quality time for your relationship. This separation helps prevent work from encroaching on your love life. Number 3. Plan quality time together. Quality time is the lifeblood of any relationship. Schedule date nights, weekend getaways, or simply an uninterrupted evening at home with your partner. These moments of connection and intimacy strengthen your bond and create cherished memories. Number 4. Open communication. Effective communication is the foundation of a successful balance. Talk to your partner about your work commitments, deadlines, and any potential challenges. Share your feelings, and be open to their feedback and needs. Communication fosters understanding and empathy. Number 5. Delegate and prioritize tasks. At work, delegate tasks and learn to prioritize effectively. Identify essential responsibilities and focus your efforts on those that matter most. Delegating allows you to free up time for your personal life, reducing stress and improving your work-life balance. Number 6. Utilize technology mindfully. While technology can be a boon for work, it can also be a bane for personal life if used indiscriminately. Set limits on checking work emails or messages during your personal time. Make a conscious effort to be fully present with your partner without distractions from screens. Number 7. Time management and organization. Effective time management and organization are invaluable skills. Use tools like calendars and to-do lists to streamline your work tasks and commitments. Allocate specific blocks of time for focused work and personal activities. Prioritize and stick to your schedule. Number 8. Flexibility and adaptability. Finally, remain flexible and adaptable. Life can throw unexpected curveballs, and work demands may occasionally require more of your time. In such situations, communicate with your partner, express your commitment to your relationship, and make plans to compensate for the lost time once the work pressure subsides. Balancing work and love life is an ongoing endeavor that requires dedication, self-awareness, and a willingness to adapt. By prioritizing self-care, setting clear boundaries, planning quality time together, fostering open communication, delegating tasks, using technology mindfully, honing time management skills, and embracing flexibility, you can create a harmonious coexistence between your professional and romantic life. Remember that striking this balance is not just about quantity but also about the quality of the moments you share with your loved one. It's about cherishing the present and building a foundation for a fulfilling and enduring relationship. Thank you for watching Intimate Media. Kindly like and subscribe to this channel. We have more awesome content on the way.